Hey guys, how are you today? Today we will talk about pharmaceutical calculations. So, today we will answer a question right now. It's an easy question. It says an elixir contains 0.1 milligram of drug X per milli. How many micrograms are there in 1 teaspoonful of the elixir? Okay, right now we can answer it by this way. 1 teaspoonful equal 10 milk, and we have here 0.1 milligram. Right, 0.1 milligram of drug X per milli. So X per 1 milli is 0.1 milligram. 5 now we'll do cross multiplication. So 0.1 times 1 mil over 5 mil equal it will give us the answer with the equation as you see. We'll find that 500 microgram as we change the milligram, and this is an important. I will do 2 lines more. You have converted milligram to microgram, as we know, by dividing over 1000 to get the microgram. So the answer will be 500 microgram. Thanks. Bye.